Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing. Back up important app data and make sure you can sign into your Google account. This prevents lockouts. Next, install a reputable VPN and pick the server in the country you want the Play Store to appear from. Once done, keep your device on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection and open the Play Store to observe the current country listing. This gives you a baseline before you change anything. You now make the change. Connect the VPN to the target country and leave it active. Then go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Google Play Store. Clear cache and clear data, and force stop the app so it forgets cached locale info. After that, reopen the Play Store while the VPN is connected. The store should query servers from the VPN country and refresh listings. If apps or pricing still show the old region, make sure the VPN IP truly resolves to the new country and try again. To finish, update your Google Payments profile country if you plan to buy apps. Google may require a local payment method and verification, so follow prompts carefully. Then restart your device and sign into Play Store with the VPN active for the initial refresh. Make sure listings and regional apps appear as expected. If things go wrong, try a different VPN server in the same country, clear Play Store data again, or remove and re-add your Google account. These steps often resolve persistent region.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.